In the hush before a storm, Durga stirs within the heart. Invincible power takes a quiet form. She is a shield of breath and flame, a mother who does not falter. When the world fractures, she holds the seam. The feminine is not a mirror to fear. She moves as Shakti, the decisive current. Her eyes are lanterns on the battlefield of doubt. Shiva and Shakti breathe as one flame. Her weapons are mercy and courage. The lion beside her is restraint, not rage. Durga's armor is compassion refined by fire. In her, strength learns to listen. Om Dam Durgai Namaha. She whispers in the wind. The heart understands through her embrace. She turns a cry into a vow to protect. The sword becomes a promise to heal. The trident a compass towards choosing truth. The halo of lamps becomes a path home. Her many forms remind us of storms survived. Each form opens a doorway to mercy. Durga holds space for every fracture you carry. The heart learns to shield without closing. This invincible power tempers ego with mercy. This shield keeps mercy intact and awake. In the temple of the self, she stands still. Tanpura hums along the spine, soft and low. Temple bells answer in rhythm with the breath. Conch and ghanta toll the onset of vigilance. A bansuri sighs, reminding us of gentleness under flame. The shadow loves to test where courage ends. Demons of fear rise, but she is unshakable. Mahishasura becomes a mirror of our own resistances. If we meet the charge with steadiness, we endure, not by dominance, but by discernment and restraint. The middle teaches us to carry both fire and mercy. Durga's shield becomes a heart-wide umbrella of protection. When you are struck, you learn to breathe into strength. When you fall, you rise with kindness as armor. The practice is not revenge, but alignment. The shield is a doorway to action that heals. Courage is listening even when the breath shakes. Courage is choosing the kinder, harder path. If you stand with Durga, you stand with your own future. Her invincible power is a heart's shield for all. It protects the tender unless it forgets to forgive. It safeguards the gaze that sees beyond victory. It consecrates anger as energy that serves. It turns fear into a boundary, not a barrier. Perhaps this is a practice of waking up to self, to test, to trust, to surrender, to begin again. The divine feminine asks us to look inward first, and then to extend that shield into the world. Listen for the thunder of your own steadiness. Listen for the flame that never abandons you. The life you seek is not somewhere else. It is here, in the pulse you carry. Let the shield become your daily practice. Let the shield become your life's vow. And if you wish a map, walk with the Life Saga app. It speaks in the language of quiet bravery and growth. May Durga's invincible power meet your heart's courage. May you wear it with humility and give shelter